All right, just got back from the dollar store. Got a bunch of Canada Day crap there. Got a couple bottle openers here. This one is a deer antler Canada Day bottle opener, if that makes any sense. So we're going to make that into a lure. This one is also a bottle opener, and it's already got our split ring on there for us. So literally I just have to add a hook there, and I'm going to add a line tie up here. And this is going to catch the water and move it around a bit. I've seen lures like this. I've used lures like this. I've lost a lure like this that worked fantastic. So I'm going to make this one into a spoon type lure. It's already pretty heavy too, so it's going to work. It's going to work good for sure, especially with those little red maple leaves along the side there. That's going to turn into a lure. This one, I'm thinking I'm going to cut a slot right here, put a lip, put a couple hook hangers, maybe just a hook hanger here, and maybe I'll even tie something on the back here. I'm not sure, or maybe I'll just leave that because it's gonna create some flash. I'm gonna cut a couple hook hangers, and this is gonna become a crankbait. All right, so dollar store. This was $2. This was $1.50. Let's see if we can't catch some fish with it. Let's get started. So apparently that was a load-bearing chunk that I cut out there, and I dropped it and it snapped in half there. But I think that's going to be okay, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out my lip, glue it in there, glue this in here, and then I think I'll just drill a hole straight through. What kind of lip do I want? I think I'll go with a coffin shape lip. Welcome to my hook hanger making station. Nail, wire. Yeah, I'm going to replace that with a not dollar store split ring. Look at that, guys. This is why we're always losing our keys. Alright, let's put on a proper split ring, guys. Nah, that's just going to get in the way. Let's take that off. That's just going to cause me to not have any good hookups. And I don't think I've got any smaller ones. So we'll just leave it as it is. Silver and red is a very good color combination. And as long as this thing is moving around erratically, Pike's going to bite that. Still pulling. It's still pulling. Yeah, I got one.
I think the fish on there.
Yeah, nice little pike.
I see that fish.
Well,
Nice size one, Matt.
I took care of the weeds. Took care of the weeds. Boy, got it down there.
So you got one on your bottle opener, Laura.
Yep.
Pretty cool.
Don't be an idiot.
Inches?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. He took off pretty fast. He took off pretty fast.
Well, he fought you pretty good too, didn't he? I said he fought you pretty good too, didn't he?
You're okay. All right, bottle opener challenge recap. This guy, as you can see, broke apart before I even got out in the water. I had to glue them back together. It didn't really catch anything, didn't really work. Mostly just kind of pulled along like a log. Not very good action. Total fail. This guy, however, I did catch a few fish on this, and I'll post some pictures of that here. And yeah, it actually worked out okay. I'll show you some of the action. It does tend to go straight, but if you get it at just the right speed, it will wobble and do what I intended it to do, which is catch some light and throw some flash. So overall, this one's a win, and I'll probably use it again.